Today we're going to plant the honeysuckle. So this is what the kind of thing that you'll get when you get order a climber from Ashridge. In a 3 litre pot, 3 canes, nicely tied. It looks a bit sad this time of the year, but in the spring it'll be fantastic. When you receive a 3 litre, a potted climber from Ashridge, any time of the year is alright to plant, apart from when there's frost on the ground or the ground's too frozen to plant. So honeysuckle, we always get a lot of questions about why you get mildew on honeysuckle. Honeysuckles tend to scramble through other shrubs and trees. Say if you're planting it here, it'll scramble all the way through, all the way along the top. Because there's no air movement and it's in the shade and underneath the trees, these leaves will always get mildew when they're like that. What you'll notice is they won't get mildew when they're up on the top of the tree. So just be aware of that when you're getting the honeysuckle. So what we're going to do at the moment, we're going to plant it on 3 wires. So hopefully we'll get flowers all the way up the stem. So at the moment we're just digging a hole big enough for the 3 litre pot. Right, so we've dug a hole, just place it in the hole. It should be a couple of inches all the way around the side of the pot and deep enough for the pot to sit in. Take the plant out of the pot. You're looking for a good, well-established root system. So place it in the hole. The good thing about having 3 canes is you can space these out a bit, and these will sometimes anchor it into the hole. So you put it in the hole and then just start backfilling it with the soil that you're taking out. So we planted the honeysuckle, just go firm it in, straighten them up, and then we'll just, you can either leave the canes in or you can take them out. Sometimes it's easy just to take them out. I'll leave one in, but try and spread it around. So you can either twist them round, depending on what you've got, and then tie them in. So the best stuff you can either use the little plastic ties, or you can use 3-ply raffia string, whatever you can get soft garden twine. So just tie them in. You don't have to be too tight because this will biodegrade at some point. So we've got planted the honeysuckle. We've got 4 good shoots on there at the moment. So one's long enough that we can twist it round the wire that's already here, and the other 3 we've just tied it onto the bottom wire, spaced them out, tied them in, and then in the spring these new shoots we can either twist them around there or tie them up to this next wire. What you're looking for is some nice big buds ready to go in the spring all the way down the stem. And then we can, as soon as these start to break, we can tie them in or we can twist them round and keep just going up the wires. Right, once it's all planted and it's tied in and you're happy, angle the soil around, just kind of pull it away, just make yourself a little bowl. Once it's all planted and you're happy, don't forget to water in.